Hi guys, welcome back to the Quick Bits. In today's video, we're gonna go over the payment function. This is gonna be the first video in our finance series on finance in Excel. So the payment function, right? Why is it important? This is actually a very useful function for the mortgages and for loans of certain types. So for example, if you work in a bank, right, or if you're trying to invest in a property, right, you want to try to figure out what are your monthly payments on a loan, right, on certain interest, certain duration. So you could be act as an investor or being as a bank, right? In both cases, very useful to know, right? So the function is actually pretty simple. It's PMT, you know. Then in order to see the parameters, you just open the parentheses. You can see that the required parameters are rate. This is going to be a rate per period, not the annual rate. Remember that. The number of periods. So for example, if it's 1 year, there is a 12 periods, right? So if it's a monthly period. And then you have to make sure that your rate is actually per month. And the present value, it's the value of the loan itself, how much you take in for the loan, right? Some optional parameters, future value and type. The future value usually is 0 if you want to pay out the loan fully, right? Or if you agree that you're gonna pay, gonna pay down the loan only up to the 100,000, you can just put the future value there. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the example, right? So let's say we want to take a mortgage, 30 years at 3% rate, and the present value of $510,000, right? This is the common FHA loan in the United States, right? So let's say we do rate. So let's calculate the rate. So first, let's actually do the number of periods, right? Number of periods. So we want to do 30 years, 12 months per year. We have a 360 number of periods. This is a very popular loan. Most of the loans in the United States actually 360 month. So now let's say, going from there, right, to calculate the rate, basically, let's say our rate is 3%, right? This is very average rate at 2021 in US. So let's do it annual rate. Here it goes, 0.25 per period. So this is our rate, okay? And the last thing we want to do is the present value. Present value, in this case, it's 510,000, right? This is unfortunately, the limit for FHA loan. I hope they're gonna raise it with all this inflation. Oops. What did I do? Present value or loan, let's say, right? And it's 510. Okay, let's just make this bigger so you can see. All right, so now let's calculate our monthly payment, right? Take rate, we select the rate column, then select number of periods, present value, close it, enter. Here you go. That's how much you have to pay per month. $2,150.18 for 30 years every month at this rate. It's actually a pretty good mortgage rate, at least so far into 2021 in the US. Okay guys, I hope you guys learned something new today. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and come back for more videos like that. Thank you.